Hi everyone, let us see the next example. In triangle ABC, the coordinates of vertex A are 0, 1 and D 1, 0 and E 0, 1 respectively. The midpoints of the sides AB and AC. If F is the midpoint of side BC, find the area of triangle DEF. Given triangle is ABC is the triangle given to us. A, B, C. A coordinates are 0, 1. B and E are respectively the midpoints of the sides AB. Here the midpoint D is 1, 0 and here the midpoint E is 0, 1 are the midpoints of the sides AB and AC. If F is the midpoint of BC, if F is here, then they are asking us to find out the area of triangle DEF. But to find the midpoint of BC, we need the coordinates of B and also C. So we know the midpoint of D. Using that one, we will find out the coordinates of B and also C. From that, we will derive the midpoint of F. Then we will apply the area of triangle formula there. First, we will find out the coordinates of B and C. So here, let this one be x, y if I am taking. Or x1, y1 only, I will take it over here. Then here D is the midpoint of AB. D is the midpoint of AB. So D equal to, what is the formula? X1 plus x2 by 2 comma y1 plus y2 by 2 is the formula. D value is 1, 0 given to us. X1 is x1 only I will take because I have to find out 0 by 2 comma y1 only minus 1 by 2. So here equating x1 by 2 equal to 1 and y1 minus 1 by 2 equal to 0. X1 equal to 2 cross multiplication, y1 minus 1 equal to 0, that implies y1 equal to 1. Therefore B points are 2, 1. B is 2, 1. B is 2, 1. In the same manner, E is the midpoint of AC. Name this one as x2. I'll take it out now. E is the midpoint of AC. E is the midpoint of AC. Therefore, E equal to applying formula x1 plus x2 by 2, comma y1 plus y2 by 2. Here E is 0, 1. x1 plus x2, x1 0 plus x2 by 2, comma y1 minus 1 plus y2 by 2. Then equate them. x2 by 2 equal to 0. x2 equal to 2 zeros are 0. y2 minus 1 by 2 equal to 1. y2 minus 1 equal to 2. y2 equal to 3. Therefore, coordinates of C are 0, 3. 0, 3. Now F is the midpoint of BC. Therefore, what are the coordinates of F? x1 plus x2 by 2, that is 2 plus 0 by 2, comma 1 plus 3 by 2. This is 2 by 2, comma 4 by 2. This one will be 1, 2. Now we know the coordinates of D, E and F also. F let it be here 1, 2. Then area of triangle DEF we can find out by using the formula area of triangle there. So area of triangle DEF equal to formula half modulus of x1 into y2 minus y3 plus x2 into y3 minus y1 plus x3 into y1 minus y2. Now this one will be x1 y1, sorry, here x1 y1, this is x2 y2 and this is x3 y3 equal to half modulus of x1 is 1, y2 is 2, y3 is 1 plus x2 is 1, y3 is 1, y1 is 0 plus x3 is 0, y1 is 0, y2 is 2. Half modulus of 1 into 1 plus 1 into 1 plus 0. Half modulus of 1 plus 1. Half modulus of 2, that is 2 by 2 equal to 1 square unit. Now, after knowing this one, if you want to find out the area of triangle ABC, what is the relation between these two? Check it out there. Area of triangle ABC. Area of triangle ABC. Directly I am writing over here. Otherwise, formula you apply. Half modulus x1 into y2 minus y3 plus x2 into y3 minus y1 plus x3 into y1 minus y2 is the formula. Half modulus of, this will be x1 y1, this is x2 y2 and this is x3 y3. So x1 is 0 times y2 is 1, y3 is 3 plus x2 is 2, y3 is 3, y1 is minus 1 becomes plus 1 plus x3 is 0, y1 is minus 1, y2 is minus 1. So half modulus of 0 into whatever the number you take, it will become 0 plus 2 into 4 plus 0. This will be equal to half modulus of 8. Half modulus of 8 means 8 by 2 only. This is equal to 4 units. From this, 4 square units. From this, what do you understand? The triangle form by joining the midpoints of the sides of the triangle is in the ratio to the given triangle as 1:4. If the area of the smaller triangle is 1 square unit, then the bigger triangle is 4 square units. 1:4 ratio it will exist. Area of triangle DEF to area of triangle ABC is in the ratio of 1:4 square units. Is it clear now? Thank you.